Tired of sending emails one by one in Salesforce? Learn how to mass email your entire list in under 2 minutes. I'll show you the exact steps. Select your contacts, choose a saved email template, and send to everyone at once. First, go ahead and click on the Contacts tab to get to your contact list. Then, select all the users you want to send an email to by checking the boxes next to their names. Now, click the Send Email button to open the Email Composer. Once that's open, click on Saved Emails to choose a pre-written template. Then, click Select and Continue to load that template into the Composer. Then, click Save and Continue to proceed. As you can see, we have multiple recipients listed here. Finally, click Preview and Send to review and send your mass email.